at the station. I mean, do you see the construction workers? Really cool, right?
I don't care.
Hi, we are MetroWeConnect. Our mission for this project is to make Bram, his friends and all the children around Delft care. Get them involved in the sport zone in an adventurous, educational and social way.
Hello guys, we're going to start a new project today.
16 Bites to Bova is a foundation that created an educational programme about the sport zone for the children of Delft. This is their textbook which teaches the children the theory behind different subjects around the sport zone. We came up with and developed an idea to teach the children about the sport zone in an adventurous way that gets them out of the classroom. Sport Talk involves children coming to the area to teach them about the different aspects of the sport zone in a fun and educational way. First, the children will be divided into 5 groups. As a group, they will create a username and a password for their website. After they have done this, they can start making their own profile page. This encourages the children to be more social and work together. After the group log in with their personal details, they can start developing their own profile page. Each group will be able to write and edit blogs, upload pictures from their sport talk and comment on other teams' blogs. At this point, the groups have to work as a team. This teamwork is necessary when the children are actually doing the sport talk. For them to be successful, they must be social and work well together. The starting point for all groups will be Delft Bout. All groups start at different moments to avoid the area from getting crowded. At Delft Bout, the children will get told about the latest updates in the sport zone area. This will educate and inform them on everything that is going on in the sport zone and everything that has happened since their last visit. Now the sport talk can finally start. First, the children have to synchronise a smartphone with the pole standing outside of Delft Bout. The children will get a route assigned to them. There are 5 different routes throughout the sport zone. All routes have their own subjects, so the children will be educated in school about history, nature, building, science and art. While on the sport talk, the children will then be tested on these subjects. For every subject, there is a mouse to lead the children through the sport zone. Charles, the nature mouse, D'Artagnan, the history mouse, Albert, the science mouse, Pablo, the art mouse, and Anthony, the building mouse. Once they have synchronised their smartphone, they start the sport talk by getting their first question. By using teamwork and discussing the questions, the children come to the right solution together. By answering the questions correct, their reward is the next part of the route. The LED strips will light up so the groups know where to go next. They will be discovering new parts of Delft in an exciting and adventurous way. During the sport talk, the children can also take pictures to post onto their blogs later on. The sport talk contains 3 tasks, 6 questions and a puzzle. Several items are located along the different routes. Cabins are placed at the end of all 5 routes. In the cabin, the groups have the opportunity to relax after the sport talk. We place whiteboards in them for the children to draw on. They can also select their best picture from during the route to put up onto a screen placed inside the cabin. 2 months later, the children are back in their same groups, taking part in a different sport talk route. This way the children get to attempt all of the 5 routes. When the children are finished adventuring the sport talk, they return to school and edit their profile. They upload their pictures, edit their blogs and record the results. Passers-by around the sport zone will also see the LED strips. These people can also take part in the sport talk.
Oh Mom, I had so much fun in school today. You don't believe what I did.
What did you do?
I went to the sport zone and did sport talk with some friends. Maybe we can check it out on the internet.
After completing their first sport talk route, Bram and his friends cannot wait for their next time. They found it very educational and more fun than learning in the classroom. They enjoyed getting to adventure through the sport zone and having worked together to complete the sport talk, they have now become better friends.